Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pratiti Nigam and today we are going to discuss virtualization and its types. Now let's see what is virtualization and what are its types. So virtualization is a technology that allows you to create a virtual version of something such as a server, a desktop, a storage device, an operating system or network resources. It enables multiple virtual instances to share a single physical resource, improving efficiency and flexibility. Now let's look at its types. So virtualization is of different types. The first is hardware virtualization. So it involves creating a virtual machine that runs on a physical hardware. A hypervisor controls and monitors the processor, memory, and hardware resources. Now, it is commonly used for server platforms, allowing multiple operating systems to run on a single physical server. The second type is operating system virtualization. So the virtual machine software is installed on the host operating system instead of directly on the hardware. It allows testing applications on different operating systems without needing separate physical machines. It is mainly used for application testing across various OS platforms. It involves installing Now server virtualization, it involves installing virtual machine software directly on the server system. It is a single physical server that can be divided into multiple virtual servers. It balances load and optimizes resource use by creating multiple virtual servers on demand. Now another is storage virtualization. So it groups the physical storage from multiple network storage devices into a single storage device. It is implemented using software applications to manage storage resources, and it is used for backup and recovery purposes. Now, network virtualization involves splitting network bandwidth into independent channels assigned to specific servers or devices. It provides flexibility and efficient use of network resources. It enhances network management and security by isolating network segments. Now, desktop virtualization allows a centralized server to deliver and manage virtualized desktops. In this, users access their desktop environments remotely from any device. It provides flexibility and centralized management of desktops. Now, application virtualization separates applications from the underlying operating system. Applications run in isolated environments, reducing conflicts and improving compatibility. It simplifies application deployment and management. Now, the last is data virtualization. It integrates data from different resources into a single unified view. Its functions to provide real-time access to data without needing to replicate it, and it enhances data accessibility and analytics. Now we will take a look at different MCQs related to our topics. So let's look at them one by one. What is the main purpose of hardware virtualization? So the options are to combine multiple storage devices into one, to create virtual machines that run on a physical hardware, to separate network resources, and to enhance data encryption. So the answer is to create virtual machines that run on physical hardware. Now the second question is, which type of virtualization allows multiple operating systems to run on the same physical server? So our options are data virtualization, storage virtualization, server virtualization, and network virtualization. So the correct answer is server virtualization. Now, the third question is, in virtualization, what is a hypervisor responsible for? So the options are encrypting data in transit, managing and monitoring virtual machines, combining multiple storage devices, and creating a virtual network. So the correct answer is managing and monitoring virtual machines. Now let's take a look at another question. Which of the following is an example of desktop virtualization? Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, VMware Horizon, Oracle VirtualBox, or Microsoft SQL Server. So the correct answer is VMware Horizon. Now another question is, what benefit does storage virtualization provide? Option A is reduce hardware cost, centralized storage management, improved data encryption, and enhanced network security. So the correct answer is centralized storage management. Now let's take a look at another question. Which type of virtualization involves integrating data from different sources into a unified view? Options are data virtualization, network virtualization, server virtualization, and application virtualization. So the correct answer is data virtualization. Now let's take a look at another question. Which virtualization type enhances network management by isolating network segments? Options are storage virtualization, network virtualization, desktop virtualization, and application virtualization. So our correct answer is network virtualization. Now another question, which of the following is a benefit of application virtualization? A. Improved application compatibility, enhanced network security, reduced storage costs, and faster data retrieval. So the correct answer is improved application compatibility. Now another question is, what is the key advantage of using a rollback feature in virtualization? So the options are encrypting data, rolling back to a secure state before an attack, monitoring network traffic, and consolidating storage devices. So the correct answer is rolling back to a secure state before an